So this is the Mi Box S, a 4K resolution with a Netflix official. Okay, so let's try to unbox and run it for the first time. Upon unboxing, you can see that the Mi Box S is small. It has a HDMI and a USB port, and also the audio and for the power cable. So that's it, and a small LED indicates its power at the front. Okay, it's already included a power cable, the remote. Okay, and for this to run you need to connect the HDMI cable, the power cable, and for the remote it only needs two AAA batteries. It's a Bluetooth interconnection. So running for the first time the Mi Box S, let's check the firmware. So this is what you'll get. You need to pair the remote first. So just press this for the pairing of the remote. And now when you see that green, it's already disconnected. So just few setup steps to get your things. So from Philippines. So after connecting through several setup, so let's check what is the Android version. So you can see the device preference, advice about the device, then it's running in Android 9. Okay, that's 2019 update. So let's run it. So for faster, I'm using this USB to LAN cable and plug it in the LAN port, so I can see instead of connecting via Wi-Fi, it will see connected via Ethernet. Now network and Ethernet. So let's check. About, then let's try to check if there's an update, system update. So now yes, there's a system update going to Android 10. Okay, so let's update this, and after that, so that's how you update your Mi Box S to the latest. Now from Android 9 it will run through Android 10. Okay, so this is just a system update, and for my next video please watch how do I update the Mi Box S running on Android 12. It cannot fetch updates from the internet, so you need to manually update this. So after downloading, it will be verifying the system files that is downloaded. And then you may need to restart the device. Just press this restart and it will boot up with the newest Android version it can fetch. Okay, so don't worry. It will take several minutes to update the Mi Box S. So now it's already installing this update. So after rebooting, the new software is now running in. So just a few steps before running the new software. So this is already running the latest downloaded software, which is, let's check. So about device preference, Android 9. And still Android 9, but already in 2021 patch. Okay, so you might end up having issue like this. The Yeah, you may need. So that's how you update the Mi Box S. So subscribe for more.